It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
This week we're gonna try milk.
So we are comparing the Lucerne almond milk, that's original almond, to the Great Value almond milk. And it's going to be a blind test, so there's 2 cups. They're already poured. The kids are not going to know which one is which. And then once we're done, we'll compare it to the vanilla. We've been drinking almond milk for a while, but they have never tried vanilla, so we'll see what we think of that. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, take a drink of this milk.
That looks similar.
And try this one.
Similar too. It's better than this one.
Which one's better?
This one.
That one's the good one?
Yeah.
Okay. Go get your brothers.
Okay.
All right, give them a try.
Mama.
Tastes like almonds.
No, don't slap on me.
Vanilla. Or very sweeter. I think I prefer this one because it's much sweeter and has a much better taste.
James, try them out.
Which one is this?
Now this one. Switch. This one. Prefer. Don't slap all of it.
This one's vanilla. This one is not. Or the second one was vanilla. This one is not.
Tell me your opinion on them.
I would say this one's better than this one.
Mom, give me. I'll
Because
drink
that one
of
has
this
more
one.
taste. than
Mom,
this
give
one.
me some drinks of
But they're
that.
both good.
Colin's turn. Don't slip all of it of mine. Don't slip all of that. Oh, this.
This one kind of tastes plain, but this one tastes sweet.
This is vanilla. See?
Oh.
Vanilla.
That says almond.
No.
Okay,
vanilla.
so this one was this, and this one
Mom,
is
Mom,
this. So, typically, we buy unsweetened almond milk. This time we sent Dad to the store, and he bought regular almond milk, and when I just tasted it, I realized it's loaded with sugar. It's no wonder everybody picked this one. This one is super sweet, super tasty, so we're gonna have to redo this test with a new batch of milk because this was an unfair test. All right, now everybody's here to have a taste of the vanilla unsweetened.
Vanilla?
I thought I already tried that.
Nope. Here. You can drink it. So good.
How does that compare to the others?
I would say the others are better.
It's. Mom, this one.
The others
try
are better.
This one.
The others are better. The others are way better.
This one is way better. The
'Kay.
other one is kind of hard to tell.
Try Emmett's and compare Emmett's to this one.
That's not mine, Mom. No, that's mine.
This one's yours. This one's yours.
I would say this one's way better.
Which one?
This one.
This
The new one I just gave you
Yeah,
or the
the
one
new
you
one.
just tried?
This one.
The new one that you just gave
one's
us is
better.
better. New one.
This one's better.
Okay, so you two like the original better and you like vanilla better? And Emmett is guzzling down on the stuff with sugar.
This one I prefer the stuff with
This
sugar.
one does.
Yeah, I like the stuff that.
Yeah, me too. It's the best.
I like this too.
Yeah, I'll try.
I would drink a whole cup of it.
Of which one?
Mom,
This sugary stuff. This
that's.
one.
Mom, what's the next
That
three?
one. I would like the vanilla.
Mom, this one? Or this
I'd
one?
rather, I would
Or
not
this
drink
one?
a cup of this. I would not drink a cup of the vanilla, but I would drink a cup of like this.
Guys, have for this
Done.
taste.
These two.
I prefer to drink a cup of the sugary one.
This one is really good.
All right, this one is to be continued while we run to the store and buy some more almond milk that is unsweetened so we can have a fair test.
We got our milk and we're gonna buckle up and go home.
I went to the store and found some almond milk unsweetened. It's not easy to find. There were 3 different fridges with shelves with different types of almond milk, coconut milk, and this was the only one that was original unsweetened. All the rest were either sweetened or vanilla. I'm going to put them into cups that we've marked A and B, and we're going to bring them outside for the kids to drink, and we have some friends here now, so they're going to try with us. We're going to put the Full Circle Organic Original Almond Milk into the A cup, and I'm going to put the Great Value into the B cup. Now we'll see what everybody thinks. All right, we're going to let Emmett go first. Go ahead and taste one of your milks. And then taste the other milk. Which one do you like the best?
This one, because it has more sugar.
You like A the best?
Yeah.
Is that one better?
Yeah.
Okay. James and Daniel, give them a try. What you gonna try first?
A.
That milk was so yummy.
I think B is better.
Yeah, B.
B is better?
Yeah.
Colin, Emily, and Anthony are gonna give them a try.
That was
A.
It's hard.
A.
I like B.
I like B.
All right, so we only have 2 votes for A with Anthony and Emmett, and everybody else liked B. Who can guess which one is the Walmart brand?
This one.
A.
Can we go back to play, Mom? I need a tractor.
Walmart almond milk wins. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.